Okay. So, welcome back. Right? Sa engineering innovations, engineer, we have, physics problem solving, um, section or part of our YouTube channel. Okay? So, dito magkakaroon naman tayo ng examples for your fluid mechanics. Okay? So, first, napak-simple lang nito. First, natin, yan. So, pagpasensya na wala tayong animation dito ah. So, an alloy is made by mixing two M cube of metal A, that is raw niya daw is 3,000. Right? So, with the 3.0 M cube of, that is cubic meter of metal B, okay, raw niya is 8,000. What is the average density of the alloy? Ayan. So, average, average tayo. Solution natin, sobrang simple. Yan lang. Okay, super simple. Okay, so bago lahat, kailangan muna natin si empty at saka si VT. Okay, empty at saka VT. So, empty natin guys is ito, okay, mass A plus mass B. Pero ang mass natin in terms of density and volume ay rho P. Okay, rho P. So, rho PA ay rho A VA plus rho B VB. Okay, so meron tayong lagyan dyan. So, makukuha natin si mass total as salpak values. And so, 3,000 times 2, that's 6,000. 8,000 times 3, that is 24,000. We have 30,000. Okay, so average natin that is mass total over by volume total. Volume total, that is 5. Okay, so bale 6,000 kg per MQ. Okay, sobrang mali. Sobrang mali. Okay, so move tayo sa next one. We have buoyancy. Okay, dali lang to buoyancy class. Sorry, dali lang to buoyancy. And so, may tubig sa kabila. Okay, so crown nasa mass of 14.7 in air. Okay, bale. And so, ilagay natin yung crown. And okay, so bale, sabi na, when complete submersion water, its apparent mass on the spring scape is 13.4. Okay, so visible naman. Yan, so solution lang natin since buoyancy tayo. Yung weight of apparent na solution. Yan, weight of apparent is equal to weight actual minus FP. So, mass apparent natin, syempre, tanggalin na natin yung G. Bakit? Kasi meron naman na tayo, mass lang na din. Okay, so mass apparent natin is equal to mass actual minus draw ng fluid volume displaced. Sir, may kulang pa sir. Notice here, since weight to, mass times G. Weight din yan, mass times G. Buoyant force tayo, rho V G. Okay? Rho V G. So, may G sila cancel. Okay? So, salpak values natin class. Yan. Rho ng liquid tubig, 1,000. Okay, so volume displaced is ito. Tanong, density ni crown. Okay, density of crown is equal to, and so actual, volume ni crown, hindi pa natin alam, pero submerged to, volume displaced natin is equal to the volume of the ground. Okay, So, salpak values kasi meron na tayo nito. Lalabas. Yan. 11,307 kg per mq. Okay. So, ganun lang siya. Okay. Alalahanin yung mga formulas. Okay. So, base dito, I think hindi siya gold. I think hindi ganun density ng gold. Siyang magaan. Okay. Next one. Dali lang to. Okay. Yan. Okay, so water flows horizontally to a pipe in the wide section. Okay. So B1 natin is 3. B1 natin is 150 kPa. In the narrow section, B2 natin is 6. Find the absolute pressure in. Find the absolute pressure B2 now. Okay. So that's na to. Kung alam mo yung formula, okay. Alalahanan natin formula. E1 plus 1/2 rho B1 squared plus rho GY1 is equal to B2 plus Y plus 1/2 rho B2 squared plus rho GY2. Ayan. Okay, simplify. Horizontal pipe. Cancel natin yung isa. Salpak values. Okay, 150K kasi kPa 150K plus ito rho B squared. Ito kailangan 1/2. Ito B2 squared lalabas 136.5 kPa 136.5 kPa. Okay. So, dali lang pala. Okay, next problem. Okay, so, tank contains daw. Okay, so, meron tayong, lagyan natin ng tubig yung tank. Okay. Tapos, lagyan din daw natin ng oil. Okay. So, find the total gauge pressure at the bottom of the tank. Dito. Kung maalala nyo, ang gauge pressure natin, it increases with depth. Bakit? Kailangan natin i-add yung pressure dito. Pababa siya ng pababa. May pressure pa tayo dito. Pressure dyan, plus pressure dyan, plus pressure dyan, hanggang sa ma-reach mo yung baba. Okay, so solution natin is sobrang simple. P1 ay P oil plus PW. Okay, so derived tayo formula natin. PT natin is gamma oil times H oil plus gamma water, H water. Okay, ano ang gamma oil? Walang event. So, paano kunin? Ito, HG oil, gamma tubig, H oil plus HG tubig, gamma ng tubig, H ng H ng tubig. Okay, so meron to. Meron yan. Meron to. Siyempre, meron yan. Meron din yan. Okay. So, salpak values. 1.88, 9.81, 1.51, 9.81T. Nalalabas 31.39 kPa. Okay. So, sir, bakit tayo ng kPa? This one. Ito, hindi siya G. Ito siya Kn over Mq. Ang Kn over Mq, papansin nyo, this is dimensionless. Ito, naka-meters. Multiply mo dyan, Kn over M squared, leading kPa. Okay? So, kPa. Shortcut, kapag ito na ginamit mo, KPA na yan. Pero kung gusto mo maging PA, times 10,000, okay lang naman. Okay lang. Okay? So, yan lang for additional examples. Okay? So, hopefully, nakatulong sa inyo. Okay? Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Meron pa tayong other examples.